about our economy, about our defense, about our securities, about our international policies. River linkage, होना कि नहीं होना? No consensus. Federalism and unitary system, no consensus. भारत में सहमति लाना बहुत मुश्किल है, लेकिन हमारी एक परंपरा रही शास्त्रार्थ की. आर्गुमेंटेटिव इंडियन अमर्त्य सेन पुस्तक लिखते हैं. हम चर्चा करते हैं, वाद करते हैं. We argue to the core. But when the truth dawns on us, we had the intellectual honesty to accept the truth and follow the truth. But today, we have gone somewhere wrong. There is no intellectual honesty. The crisis of consensus is because of this. Friends, generally, there is an analysis called SWOT analysis: strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat or challenges. The strength of India, its youth, its natural resources, its civilization, its oneness, its non-aggressive nature, its adaptability, its unity in diversity. The weakness, I have listed them just now. The opportunities are there. The world is awaiting. Can India give solace and succor? Though India with its ominous and pernicious problems, time immemorial, like poverty, illiteracy and caste-ridden society, can we emerge as the modern day leaders for the whole humanity? It is for us to decide. With so many problems, even during Swami Vivekananda's days, when he questioned himself, when he asked himself, shall India die? He says, shall India die? Then from the world all spirituality will be extinct. All moral perfection will be extinct. All sweet-souled sympathy for religion will be extinct. All ideality will be extinct. And in its place will reign the duality of lust and luxury as the male and female deities, with money as its priest, fraud, force and competition its ceremonies, and the human soul its sacrifice. Such a thing can never be. There was one Satyamurthy in Tamil Nadu who was a freedom fighter. He once said, if India lives, who dies? If India dies, who lives? Friends, we have opportunities, but there are challenges and threats. The terrorism, the violence, the Maoism, the weak structure of unity and federalism, uneasy neighbors, our security situation, the long pending issues. These are our challenges. I don't say they are problems. Every nation, every people will have their challenges. But it is the intrinsic strength of a nation, of a people. If they are addressing those issues with their capacities and capabilities, with their hopes and dreams, with their experiences of the past and a vision for the future, definitely they can come out with colors and glorifying success. So for this, many solutions have been offered. I am not here to offer solutions, but I only remember Dr. Abdul Kalam's one sentence when he said in the press conference immediately after he took over as the President of India. One journalist asked, what is the solution to present day India? He said, nationalize politics and spiritualize the people. Swami Vivekananda had said that the twin goals of India are service and sacrifice. The twin things that we have to address to is nationalize the politics, means our public life, and spiritualize people. A scientist is telling this. Friends, I do not want to take much of your time because I want to give time for interaction with these words. And any length of time you speak, still it is difficult to comprehend India. इसलिए भारत को हमें जानना चाहिए, भारत को जानो। भारत की एक शक्ति है, ताकत है, भारत के अंदर एक सत्व है, भारत के अंदर एक स्वत्व है। भारत दुनिया को कुछ दे सकता है और भारत अपने आप में खड़ा हो सकता है, इसलिए भारत को मानो और भारत के इन चीजों के बारे में जानो और भारत के बनो और भारत को बनाओ। इसलिए भारत को जानो, मानो, बनाओ और भारत को बनो। एंड while doing this, because of going through this experience and experimentation, we will be able to understand India. Namaskar.